Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have learned about two important hardware devices, that is modem and network interface card. If you have missed it, please check out my channel. And today we are going to learn about other important hardware devices. So let's get started.
Some of the other important network hardware devices are hub, switch, repeater, bridge, router and gateway. So let's start with hub. Hub is a hardware device that is used to connect several computers together. If you want to extend the length or size of a network and provide additional access, then hub can be used to connect multiple computers in a network, as it has multiple ports where multi-cards can be plugged. Basically, hub is a multi-slot concentrator, where concentrator is a device that provides a central connection point for cables from workstations, servers and other devices. Hubs can be active or passive hubs. Active hubs are like repeaters which electrically amplifies the signal, that is, increases the strength of a signal before rebroadcasting or passing it over the network, whereas passive hubs allow the signal to pass from one computer to another computer in a network without making any change. Next is switch. Switch is a hardware device which is used to segment networks into different subnetworks. Switch is a hardware device which is used to segment networks into different subnetworks called as subnets or LAN segments. The purpose of segmenting or dividing the networks into subnets is that it prevents traffic overloading of data in a network. It also filters data being transmitted between different segments of network. For this, it establishes a temporary connection between both the computers, that is source and the destination computer. Once the communication is over, it disconnects or terminates the connection. For example, in any organization or office, the operator at the intercom connects the two persons on a dedicated line. Thus, he or she can manage the other persons also to communicate with one another on different lines. Next is repeater. Repeater is a hardware device which amplifies a signal in a network. That is, it receives a signal and retransmits it. In a long distance communication, more than one repeaters can be installed, so that there is no loss of signal or data, and message reaches as it is to the other end without getting degraded. There are two types of repeaters, amplifier and signal repeaters. Amplifier repeater amplifies all the incoming signals, that is both the signal and any concurrent noise, whereas signal repeater receives the inbound signal and then retransmits or rebroadcasts as it was received from the computer that transmitted it. Next is bridge. As the name itself indicates that a bridge is a device that allows to link two networks together. Bridge is aware that which computers are on which side of the bridge, so accordingly they allow only those messages to go or transmit to the other end of the bridge. Another important thing is that bridge can handle or link only those networks that follow same protocol or predefined sets of rules. Next device is router. When there are different types of networks, then for communication, router is used, as it is a network device which works like a bridge, that is, sends or receives data from one computer or network to another network. It can handle networks that follow different protocols. Two important functions of router are: if destination computer is not known, then the router sends the traffic to another router that knows the destination computer. For this purpose, it uses logical address. Secondly, if a connection or communication link between two routers fail, then the router which is transmitting the signal determines the alternative route so that traffic keeps moving and communication continues. And the last device is gateway. A gateway is a network hardware device which is used to connect dissimilar networks. It is actually a node in a network. Its function is to establish connections with completely different external network. In an organization, a gateway serves as a proxy server and a firewall, where the node that acts as a server is actually not a server, but simply acts or serves as a server. And firewall helps to prevent unauthorized access to a network. So, a gateway works in association with both a router and a switch.
Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next videos. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe.